Hey there, I'm Ed King. Welcome to the channel where we stay in motion to lead. Here, it's all about growth, innovations, and turning ideas into actions. If you are ready to level up, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss out. Let's lead the way together. So, over here, we have the financial dashboard. Here, the transaction, the general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, budgeting, and reports. And we are actually going to start with transactions, and we are going to add a transaction of an income of 100,000. And over that 100,000, we are going to select that it was in form of M-Pesa, and the category was salary, and we got paid by Swiftify. Okay, so we are going to add this transaction, which is going to require a pin, and after a successful pin input, the transaction is added. When you go back to your dashboard, you're going to see that the total income is 200,000, the total expenses is 90,000 over the selected period. The net balance, which means the balance that you have currently in all the forms, which is cash, M-Pesa, or bank, is 110,000. And there is no budget right now. This is the expense distribution. This is the income versus expense monthly from this selected period. So over here is the amount of money that we received, and this is the amount of money that we added currently. We added just right now, which is 100,000, and we are going to see the general ledger, and we have in our M-Pesa balance we have 45,000, in our bank we have 65,000, and cash we have zero cash, which sums it up to the net balance that we had. So that is it for today, guys. This is a desktop app. It's easy to use, and you can always monitor your finances. After a year you are going to know more about how to use your finances. Thank you and welcome aboard.